Hi everyone, so in this video we will talk about initiating a console session using Cisco packet tracer. For that, let's have a PC and then a network device. Either we can go with the switch or router, so we'll go with the switch. Then connect both the devices using a console cable. Go to connection and then select console. From the PC side, select RS232 and then on the switch side select console. So now we have successfully connected both the devices using the console cable. Now click PC and then from there desktop and then select terminal. Here hit OK. So now we have initiated the console session from the PC. So we're not going to go much deeper into this topic. So we can configure authentication. So when a user initiates a console session, so it will prompt for the username and the password. So we'll talk about those stuff in another video. Now we can configure the device from the host itself. So that's it guys. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for watching.